You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that.
In today's video, we are getting ready for vacation. So there's lots of packing, lots of organizing, and a little bit of prepping the house before we actually leave. So get ready for some vacation prep motivation. And this is the state of my house an evening before we were leaving for our road trip. So it's just things everywhere. I usually am much more prepared and not so late in the day. However, it has been an extremely busy week at work, and I wanted to make sure that I get everything done at work before I leave. So that meant a lot of late evenings, and as the result, here we are. Few hours before we leave, and I am not packed at all. I did have clothes taken out for my kids of what I want to take, so that was a huge plus. I was trying to do even a little thing each day, so getting or putting things away as we were doing laundry to make sure we have outfits we wanted, that it was definitely helpful. So that's definitely my number one tip for you is, when you are very busy and are trying to get ready for vacation, a little bit each day. And also, this is the first time I was using those organizers for clothes. I got them literally last minute and I absolutely love them. And not only was I able to segregate each of our clothes into a different sort of, bag, but it was also very helpful when we actually got to the place where we were staying at. There was very little storage, so even though I had to basically leave everything in the suitcase, which is never something that I do, I like to take everything out. Everything kind of stayed organized because all the clean clothes were nicely in each individual bag. So highly recommend some sort of an organizational bag like that. I'm gonna link the ones I got. There is a lot of them on Amazon, but definitely something that was very helpful.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that.
Another thing that I really like to do when I'm prepping for vacation is to have a checklist for as I'm preparing. So there's two types of checklists that I have. It's like a vacation prep checklist to make sure that I do things before vacation, like making sure I stop the mail, making sure I arrange for a pet care, for someone to come to our house and feed the fish and water the plants. So things like that. So as I am busy with my, life as a working mom, I can stay on track of things that need to be arranged, before we actually leave. And then the second checklist is for the packing. And I have been also writing that list for myself before each vacation, but I have finally created one I can just print off. I can always add to it if I need to. If it's like, a plane trip versus a road trip, things are going to be a little different. But for the most part, we tend to take the same things over and over again, or the same types of things. So I have actually created that checklist. I'm going to link them down below in case you are interested. But even if you're not, I would highly suggest creating one for yourself. That way you can reuse it and reuse it over and over again.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise.
Now for this particular vacation, we're going on a road trip. So this is why you kind of see me pack in few different bags. Like this one specifically is just for the swimming pool. That way, when we are there, I don't have to look through my suitcase. This is basically a bag we would typically take when we are going to a local swimming pool. So I just like to do it like that. So it's less prep, less looking for things when we get there. Anytime we wanted to go to the swimming pool, we would just grab this and we were ready to go.
Make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you.
And now it was time to actually pack the suitcase. So this one is for me and for my two kids. My husband had his separate small one. What I was doing is kind of putting shoes in the bottom. That's typically what I do. And typically though, I put my shoes into bags. So like a grocery bag or stuff like that. But because these were brand new hiking shoes for all of us, that's why they didn't require to be kind of separated so they don't get clothes dirty. I just kind of put them on the bottom. On the way back, they were definitely in bags. And I was a little concerned that it's going to be difficult to pack the suitcase with those little organizing bags, but it actually worked out really, really well.
Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got
And this is the packing checklist I mentioned before. So I like to take it out, whether it's just written on a piece of paper or nicely printed like that. So as I am putting things in a suitcase, I can check them off. Because believe me, especially when you're packing last minute, you want to keep track of the things that you are actually packing. One of the things we wanted to pack is some games for the kids. So we got some new ones from Amazon. I'm gonna link all of them below. They were really good because they were something they could definitely play in a car, on an airplane. It's just kind of like brain teasers, as you see, things that are, easy to assemble and something that can be played for a long time because there was like different levels of them. So they really enjoyed them. So if you're looking for something inexpensive and something to keep them busy, I also like was taking that to restaurants whenever we're waiting for food. That was a good also activity for them to do. So check them out down below.
a million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wild.
And I just wanted to make sure we're not taking all those giant boxes with us. That's why I opened each of them. As you could see, it's like a small game in a giant box. So I was just putting them into those plastic Ziploc bags, I guess that's what they're called. I also got them on Amazon when I was organizing the playroom. So I put them in those and they were a huge space saver.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive. lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled.
So my kids each had their own backpack. That's where I put different activity books, the games I just packed, crayons, the sticker book where you can kind of paint with stickers. So things that would keep them busy during a long car drive. It also works great for the plane, except for the plane I probably wouldn't take as many because they got a bit heavy. This is also where they had their tablets. So basically anything that would keep them entertained during the actual route over there. And then when we got there in the evenings, they had something to do. And like I said, if we were going to eat food, we would also take one or two things from their backpack.
Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go, but I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
And this is probably my least favorite part of packing, all those little toiletries and just random things that we need, but there's just so many of them. As you can see on the list, that's the longest column. With clothes, it's, you basically pick out outfits, but with the toiletries and all the other stuff, it gets to be a lot. And I wanted to make sure that I take everything because you know it, if you don't take it, you are definitely going to need it. Also on this trip, I always take some medicine, pain medication for like me and my husband, like Motrin, just in case we have a headache. And for kids, anything for like fever, or if they cough, some like syrup for that. And on this trip, we actually needed everything that I have taken. So normally we don't need anything, but you just never know. We were fine throughout the whole time we were there. And then when we were coming back, I don't know, I think they called like a stomach bug or something because it was something that lasted literally 24 hours. But we just had to use it. So I was just happy I had it on my list and that we actually had it with us.
Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth.
So let me know in the comments what kind of packing person you are. I don't know if that's even a term, but do you like to be very organized? Do you like to plan ahead? Do you like to just be more spontaneous and pack the last minute? I'm really curious, what kind of packer are you? I am definitely the one that likes to be ready, that likes to have a to-do list, and likes to be prepared. However, as you can see in the beginning of this video, it tends to be that I am rushing towards the end of the packing because of work, because of kids, other responsibilities. So I'm very thankful to have the checklist because even if I am rushing in the end, this is one of the ways I make sure that I take everything with us. And this is the morning of the trip. So I just put the clothes that my kids were wearing for the trip. And I wanted to make sure before I leave that I cleaned up the fridge. I took out anything we were going to eat for breakfast and wiped it off and threw anything away that I knew is not going to survive until we actually come back. It wasn't a lot of it because as we were going through the week, I was trying to use up all the stuff that we had. but it's just always, there's always something that just hides in the shell, or you just didn't get a chance to eat. So I just wanted to make sure that the fridge was clean, that there were no dirty dishes in the sink. So when we come back, it was just a little easier to get back into reality, and I did not open the fridge to a bad smell.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
And here are all the things we're taking. Lots of food. I have a cooler that goes in the car and a cooler that goes in the trunk of the car, so we have access to snacks when we are driving, and a ginormous suitcase for all of us, and backpacks for my kids and for myself. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.